Morning YouTube. Recently got this block of magnesium. It has a little attached ferro rod to it, so I want to go test it out today. Go practice making fires. Obviously, you should have multiple ways of making a fire. I usually keep some matches in a lighter in my emergency bag, but anyway, if those things fail, nice thing from what they told me about the magnesium rod is that it'll still light up even in damp or wet situations, and even around water. It can actually increase the fire that you make with magnesium. So it'd be a nice tool to have, but obviously you want to practice before you go out and actually in an emergency situation. So I'm just gonna try practicing a little bit. Today I'll be using my Bear Grylls knife. It's a full tang fixed blade. Also has its own ferro rod as well, which I've used a few times. Very good at making sparks. Addition, I'm going to use an ammo can. It's empty, so make sure, obviously there's nothing you want to explode inside, like ammunition. And then of course, some cotton balls and a little Vaseline, which may help with a fire. Alright, anyway, let's get started. As you can see, this thing is not lighting up very well. Even some sparks are causing a few brown spots in it. It's not lighting up. Let me try it with a little Vaseline. Alright, so I dipped a little cotton ball in some Vaseline. Now I'm going to see if it's going to more likely to light up now. There you go. Fire. That's just with a little extra Vaseline. Nice and warm. Right. Obviously, you saw that the Vaseline lit up really quick. Really nice tool there if you want to get a fire starting quickly. Let me try starting this dry cotton ball with magnesium and see, compare the difference between Vaseline and magnesium. Alright, there you go. Get a little bit of that stuff on. There we go. Let's see how this works. Alright, so dry cotton ball with a little magnesium on top. Alright, let's see how quick this one works. Starting on fire. Light up pretty quick. Personally, I like the Vaseline a little bit better. It's a lot easier than having to shave a bunch of magnesium and then light it up. But it's a pretty effective way, especially if there's no other, if it's a damp situation outside. All right, that's it. All right, so it's actually rained a little bit last night. It's pretty wet down here in Southern California this year. So what I did, I put cotton ball in water. So obviously, something wet's not gonna light up, right? Just test it out. Okay. See, as you can see, it's wet. It's not gonna light up. Let me try it with a few magnesium shavings and see if there's any difference, alright? So I'm gonna just shave off a bit of this magnesium off the side. Alright, let's put it on top of it. Try that. I want to get like a coin size. I should get like a dime, nickel sized amount of magnesium in. Should be enough to start a bit of a fire. Alright, let's keep doing this. Alright, let's test this out. So this is a wet piece of cotton ball. It's got, obviously it's not going to light up as I demonstrated earlier, but this time, you know, I put a little magnesium on it. Let's see if the results are any different. You know, if you can light this thing on fire, well, hey, well, I guess the magnesium works. Alright, let's give this a shot. Wow, that was quick. Oh, still look. Alright, wow, you see that? That one lit up, but unfortunately didn't really get through the cotton ball. Guess the cotton ball's a little too wet. Did start a fire here, but it quickly went out, probably because of the water. Anyway, as you can see, having a little block of magnesium can be very useful, especially in you know, if you're having, you know, as an alternative means of starting a fire. Obviously matches, if you have them, or a lighter, are easier and better way of starting a fire. But what if you're in a damp situation, it's wet, you know, everything's wet around you, wet wood, wet grass, wet everything. Well, this just might be the key, you know, to change your situation. So, you know, it's good to be prepared. It's good to practice. You know, I'll keep practicing. That way I'll get a little bit better. You know, last thing you want to do is to be in a survival situation and you're not prepared. Alright, anyway, if you have any questions, comments, leave a comment below. Alright, thanks.